Today we start our morning in Ötzi Village in Austria. It's the home of Ötzi, the Iceman. And this is absolutely fascinating story. Read it if you haven't yet. So from here we ride higher into the mountains to the top mountain motorcycle museum, the highest one in Europe at 2,200 meters, right on the Timmelsjoch pass.
Steel clashes, twilight echoes boom. Sons of war bear hopes flag high. March through fire, never shy. Battle drums pound in our hearts. Charge into fray, leave fear apart.
It was created by two brothers, the Scheibers, and first opened in 2016. But in January 2021, the museum burned down completely. In just a few hours, more than 200 rare motorcycles were lost. It seemed like the end, but it wasn't. Help came from everywhere. Local builders, collectors from Germany, Italy, England, even from US. Brands sent new bikes. Private owner donated their classics, and funds around the world raised money to rebuild it. So less than a year later, the museum opened again. And today it holds more than 500 motorcycles and panoramic restaurant overlooking the Alps. It's a pretty good reminder that you should never give up.
In endless battle, shine like sun. Warriors of the sacred land. Fight last breath across the sand. Battle rages will never yield. March to light, spirit sealed. Chaos world, we carve our name on history's walls through fame's flame. Wind blows, tears through silent night. Grip weapons tight. Face come and fight. Our destinies stand as one. In endless battle, shine like sun. Warriors of the sacred land. Fight last breath across the sand.